Alright guys, today we are going to make the high back chair from Paper Modeling by M. Swanell. It is on page 21. So I do have a knife today. I have no idea if this is the kind of knife you're supposed to use, but I wanted it to cut out the back of the chair. I think you do probably need some kind of cutting knife, but maybe you could get away with scissors too. So we're going to start out as we always do by folding this into 16 pieces. And you can make, I'm using a 6-inch square. However, you can definitely make a 4-inch square. It will make a much smaller chair. It depends on what kind of doll's house you would like to make. Because going forward, the next few are doll's furniture. Alright, there we go. And now we're going to do A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I left my letters kind of small here because we are going to be drawing on it. Now A, we're just going to completely ignore. We don't need A, and we don't need I or M, or N, O, and P. So I just shaved these off just to remind myself that we are working with this right here. So B, C, and D are going to be the sides of your chair. J, K, and L is the other side. So H, we're going to make a little rooftop right there on H. G we're going to leave alone. And now E and F are going to be the back of your chair. So if you want to know how big your chair is going to be, the seat is G. So you're going to draw on E and F a back of your chair, and I'm just going to roughly sketch what they have in here. Something like that. And this was cut out. Of course, you can look at the chair that you're sitting in and make it look like that. So now I'm going to cut out all the places where I need to cut. And now this is where this will come in very handy. Let's just cut that out on top of my book. I probably really need to get a cutting board for this. Definitely cut the book, so you need a cutting board. That was a lot easier than a pair of scissors, for sure. Okay. All right, now we have this. All right, now I am going to use some tape. You're going to bend C and K downward at right angles. Oops, I forgot to cut here. I need to cut up there and cut up there. Then C and K downward at right angles to seat G. Fold J and L at right angles to K. And B and D at right angles. Let's see. Paste J on B. So J on B. going to use tape. An L on D. Ah. Fold up to right angles at G, the back of your chair. I recommend at least 100 weight cardstock. I'm using 60 and it's not that great. It's not that great, guys. So after this is finished, you can cut the sides to form legs as needed. So if you wanted to, you could come in here and make legs. See? And there is my high-backed chair. And it's super cute. I really like it. I think a 6-inch square turned out perfect for like a little Barbie. There you go. I'll see you guys in the next